welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video will be an unboxing of some new skin / lip care products that I received. Some I bought, some I received. I'll, put y'all on as we go along. So I'm super excited to do today's video because everything in this video will be black owned. Black owned skincare, black owned lip care, and these are all from two brands that I believe in, that I have been using, that I rock with. So I'm super excited to do today's video. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below, and join the family. I'm uploading each and every day of quarantine, so I'm giving you guys new, fresh content to engage with, to entertain you during this time of quarantine. So make sure you have on your post notifications as well, so you guys can know as soon as I upload a new video each and every day. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and drop a comment down below after you watch this entire video with your thoughts, with your comments, and with your opinions. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first brand, Moussou Beauty, I received some items from the brand. Thank you, Moussou Beauty, so much for sending these products over to me. In case you guys do not know, Moussou Beauty is a black-owned, woman-owned, Muslim-owned brand that focuses on natural body care. So they have body butters, which I've showed you guys on my channel a couple of times. I use them on my skin, I use them on my natural hair, and now they launched their lip kits, which I am super excited about. So I did the unboxing on my IG stories last weekend, I believe. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, because that's where y'all can get first dibs on items that I pick up and more updates on items that I speak about in my videos. But in the package, I did receive this mailer's card from Moussou Beauty. This is a cute photo, and this is also me. And then on the back, we have a handwritten note from the brand, which I think is a nice personable touch for customers and for everyone who receives the items, just to thank them, and nice little hand signature. So I always like to keep these. And then also it has a card with instructions on how to use the products, which I think is very informational. And then I'm gonna just let y'all know now, I already started using these products, so some will still be in the box, some I'm grabbing from the side, but I'll let you guys know. So this is a cute little box that it came in. Super excited. And then within the box, I received 2 of their lip kits. So they do have, I think, 4 fragrances / scents of the lip kit, but I received the Living Lab and the Honey Sugar lip kit. So each lip kit comes with a lip scrub. So for instance, this is the Living Lab lip scrub, and I love how it comes in this little baggie. The thing about these lip scrubs is that they are made with all natural ingredients. So when anything is made with all natural ingredients, the shelf life usually isn't as long as products that have all of the things we don't need in the product. So I think this lip scrub is a great size for the shelf life that it has. So I got this lip scrub. They both smell amazing. And then each lip kit also comes with a lip balm. So I think this is super cute. So you have something to, exfoliate your lips. Then you have something to kind of prime your lips with. So I have the Living Lab, which I have not dug into yet. And then the lip kit that I did start using is the Honey Sugar. So the lip kit also comes with an applicator, so it's easy to mix the product as well as scoop it out and apply it to your lips, which I love. The Honey Sugar is amazing. It smells like honey, and I really like it. And then the Honey Sugar lip balm, I've been using this lip balm throughout the day. It's a great primer. It's not too heavy, it's not too glossy, it doesn't do too much, but it does moisturize your lips really well. So I really like applying this to my lips throughout the day. So I did get these 2 lip kits from Moussou Beauty. And then I received a package of goodies that I purchased from my esthetician. So in case you guys don't know, I suffer with hormonal acne. My skin has been going through it for the past year, I would say. Yeah, my 1-year acne journey experience just passed, but my skin has been going through it. So I've been seeing this esthetician, well, before quarantine, Cynthia Aesthetic. She's very well educated in African American skin and melanated skin. So she has her own product line now, which I'm really, really excited about. She is a black woman doing the damn thing. So she launched some new products, and she also had a new kit, and I also re-upped on some stuff I needed. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So the first 3 items are serums. So I have her Skin Clear Serum, which I have been using for a while now. This product is amazing for helping to prevent comedones, which give us, you know, the breakouts. So this serum is amazing. And then we have the Oxygenating Serum, which really helps to provide oxygen to the skin, which helps with hyperpigmentation, which helps with like dry patches. So this serum, these 2 serums I've been using on a daily basis. This next serum, she did send me a sample of it in my last package. So I love the fact that she offers for her clients to have samples of her products before going ahead and splurging a coin to get the full-size item. So this is the Dark Circle Eye Serum. I had a sample of this and I used it on my eyes, and yeah, I don't know about y'all during quarantine, but my sleep pattern has been completely off. While I was using a sample of this serum, it looked like I got 8 hours of sleep. My like bags under my eyes were not as puffy, and also they're not as dark as they used to be before. So I've been using this serum, used the sample, loved it, so I went ahead and purchased a full-size item. And then let me see what else I got. So the next product I have is her Pigment Elixir. This is basically a toner. So the instructions say, after cleansing, apply toner with cotton pads to hydrate skin and remove residue from cleanser, makeup, or hard water. I have not tried this product before, but I'm super excited to try it. I don't know about you guys, but I love products where I can just spray it on my face and it just feels so soothing, and I don't know. But I'm super excited to try this. And then I also have her Pigment Cleanser, which I love. I use this at night, and this really helps with hyperpigmentation. Within a week of using this, my skin, like the texture has been smoother and my hyperpigmentation has gone down. So I really, really love this cleanser. And then the last product that I purchased from Cynthia Aesthetics is this glow kit. So this is Cynthia's new glow kit. Her intention behind creating this kit was, okay, I can't see my clients, but what products can I provide them with so they can have like the treatment room experience at home? And I thought this was such a great, cute idea. All of the items in this collection are Cynthia Aesthetics. So these are all products that she curated, she, you know, formulated, and is sharing with us. So some of these items in here I have tried before. Some of them are new to me, and some of them are new to her collection as well. So first we have the Pigment Cleanser. So I do use a Pigment Cleanser already. It's great for hyperpigmentation. This product does come in the full size, and also since I've been using this cleanser, I have noticed that the texture of my skin has been changing. Like my skin is more smooth. So I'm super excited that I have a little bit extra on top of the full size one I have. We have the Pigment Serum. So this is one of Cynthia's new items, the Pigment Serum. This serum helps with hyperpigmentation. It's supposed to brighten the skin and, you know, just get you an even skin tone. So the Pigment Cleanser, Pigment Serum. And then we have a tiny Oxygenating Serum. So once again, I'm hyped that I have a little bit extra of a product I have a full size of, but this is the mini Oxygenating Serum. And then we have the Pre-Enzyme Treatment, which I believe is like a face mask, I believe. And the Skin Clear Hydrator, which is, I'm guessing it's like a moisturizer. Oh, sealed. It says, after cleansing, apply a small amount to the face and neck. Slightly tingling, which is subside in a few minutes. Okay, so Skin Clear Hydrator, we have that. And then we have the Glow Treatment. Guessing this is going to give us more of a glow. And then we have the Retinol Night Treatment, which I'm super excited about. If you guys watch my How I Clear a Breakout video, which I uploaded last week or the week before, I'll go ahead and link it above. But I told you guys that I either use the PCA Skin Brightening Retinol or Clarifying Retinol, depending on, you know, what's going on with my skin. So the way that Cynthia described her retinol is that it's basically a combination of the two. So I'm super excited to try this. She did mention that we'll experience a little bit of peeling using this. So I'm recording all my videos today, and then I'm gonna, you know, get my skin together tonight. And then she has, I don't know what this is a sample of. It's like a little green thing. I don't know. So that's basically everything that I purchased from Cynthia Aesthetics and I received from Moussou Beauty. I'm super excited to try these items. So what I am going to do is I'm going to do like a full nighttime skincare routine using only black owned products. So I'll be using all of the products that I showed you guys in this video. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so you guys can see how to use these products. You know, what it do to the skin, how my skin looks. I'm gonna record that video tonight, so how my skin looks tonight. And yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing anything from Cynthia Aesthetics, you do have to have a virtual consultation with her. She will not sell you products if you're not a client of hers, so you have to book a virtual consultation. At the time I am recording this video, which is Saturday, May 23rd, her website is closed because she's, you know, updating her website, but she does have an app which is available in the Apple Store and the Google Store. So whether you have an iPhone or Android, you can download the app and then you can book your virtual consultation there. The virtual consultation is $25, but the $25 goes towards a purchase of a product. So hopefully this video helped you guys out to show you guys, you know, what I be using on my skin and to show you guys some new goodies that I picked up, which I'm super excited about. So before you guys head out, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. You already know the drill. Give this video a big thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys plan on picking up any of these items. Let me know if you guys are going to check Cynthia out. Let me know if y'all do a virtual consultation. I always comment back and I tell you guys, let me know how it goes. Like when I say let me know how it goes, I'm serious. I'm not just saying that to say that. I'm interested to hear your experiences with Cynthia as well, because she's honestly amazing. Like, she's God sent. She has transformed my skin in ways that I did not know was possible. So make sure you guys check out Cynthia. Also follow her on Instagram at Cynthia Esthetician, I believe. I'll put it on the screen. And yeah, so I'm uploading a video each and every day of quarantine, so make sure your post notifications are on as well. So until my next video, which will be tomorrow, I'll see you guys later.